everyone, we're going to establish these two trig identities. This one and this one. They're very similar, so I put them together. But the steps to do this is similar. So you can work from either side on this. I'll go ahead and start on the left side and make it look like the right side. Usually when you have secant and tan, what you want to use is this right here. You don't want to write it in terms of sine and cosine because secant and tan go together like that. So let's first factor out a secant squared of theta. When you do that, you're going to get secant squared of theta minus 1. Now again, we want this to be equal to tan theta to the 4th power plus tan squared of theta. All right. So this right here is secant squared of theta minus 1. I just rewrote that. So this right here is tan squared of theta. Now, secant squared of theta equals tan squared of theta plus 1. So you're going to write that tan for this. Tan squared of theta plus 1. Now, when you distribute, so I'll distribute this way, you get tan squared of theta, well, actually to the 4th, tan to the 4th power of theta, plus tan squared of theta, which equals what we wanted. So you might want to try to do the same thing with this one using the same steps. So you can pause and try to do it, but I'll do the answers now. So let's start with this, the same steps, factor out. And I did the same thing with this. You simplify after you take your original Pythagorean identity and you get your other identity and you can rearrange them, the equations. So let's factor out cosecant squared of theta with the greatest common factor. Then we have cosecant squared of theta minus 1. Now we want this to equal cotan to the 4th of theta plus cotan squared of theta. All right. So now this cosecant squared of theta minus 1 equals cotan squared of theta. And cosecant squared of theta equals 1 plus cotan squared of theta. Now, you can distribute this. You get, just distribute that way. And you're going to get cotan squared of theta plus cotan to the 4th power of theta, which is the same as this. You can rearrange those because this is a positive. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.